In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view in Asana. Adding different views to your project is a great way to see your work in the format that makes the most sense for you and your team. Maybe you like lists, maybe you prefer boards, or maybe a timeline makes things clearer. Whatever your style, Asana lets you switch things up easily, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to add a new view to any project. First, go ahead and open Asana and navigate to the project where you want to add a new view. You can do this from your sidebar by selecting the project name or by using the search bar at the top and typing the name of the project. Once the project opens, you'll see your existing default view, which might be a list, a board, or something else depending on how it was originally set up. Now, look toward the top of the project interface. You should see the name of your current view, along with some options and icons. What you're looking for is the plus sign at the top of the screen. This plus sign is what you'll use to add a new view to your project. Move your cursor over that plus icon and click on it. When you click the plus sign, Asana will open a small menu that shows the different types of views you can add. This is where you choose how you want to visualize your tasks. Depending on your plan and setup, you might see options like list, board, calendar, timeline, or other specialized views. Take a moment to think about what you need from this project. If you want a straightforward task-by-task breakdown, choose a list view. If you manage work in stages like to do, in progress, and done, a board view can help you drag tasks between columns. If you're planning around specific dates, a calendar view might be best. And if you need to see how work maps out over a period of time, a timeline view can be very helpful. Once you've decided, simply click on the view you want from the menu. Asana will then create that new view for your project and open it immediately so you can start using it. From here, you can customize filters, sorting, and layout just like any other view, and switch between your views at the top whenever you need a different perspective on your work. That's all you need to do to